This is the Magma Marine gas grill. It is portable. You can mount it on anywhere you want on the boat. It is round. It doesn't come with a mountable the mount that is sold separately. We've had it for about 5 years. You can put it anywhere on the boat. The propane tanks go right here. You just screw it on and around. It holds secure, and the top of it is how high you want the propane to be putting out the gas. Right there, a little nozzle there, and then you just take it off to twist it back off for storage and safety. You take the propane off. The handle does not get hot. You can lift it up without burning yourself. The steam comes out the top holes, and there's a little plate there that catches the drips. And you see the bottom there. The lid holds on. It's just on a hinge there, so you're not going to lose it. It is wind resistant, and we have used it for 5 years to make hamburgers, hot dogs, corn on the cob, chicken breasts. It's very handy. It's the perfect size for 2 to 4 people. We can fit about 4 to 5 hamburgers on it. It comes with this bag to protect it from the weather. So we do put it on every time when we're not using it. It has a nice drawstring and a clasp to hold the drawstring in place. And then we tie it around the lifeline there to keep it from, give it a little bit more support so it won't blow away, the bag won't blow away in the wind. It's served us well. Like I said, we've had it for about 5 years, and it is still strong and sturdy. Grab the links below and remember to hit that subscribe button.